I'm Saurav Chatterjee, Senior Product Specialist Informatica Support. I'll be talking about Infa9Log Utility, which is used for collecting the requisite log from the environment running Informatica application. The agenda of the video will be the introduction to Infa9Logs, from where to download the Infa9Logs, the prerequisite for running Infa9Logs, the running of Infa9Logs and the demo, and the references to the KB articles. Infa9Log is used for collecting logs from Power Center environment. It will be used for capturing application logs which are required for further analysis and debugging. It will reduce the redundant to and fro communication for logs requirement. Infa9Log is available for both Windows and Unix environment. Download Infa9Logs from mysupport.informatica.com website. Upload the file to Unix server where your Informatica application is installed. Make sure you use a binary mode to transfer. There can be issue due to file transferring mode which can cause corruption to Infa9Log binaries. Extract the file. It will create a Infa9Logs directory. Prerequisite requirement is to set Infa home environment variable in your Unix environment. Setting Java home variable is not required if the Java home referred is not present in Infa home/Java. You need to set the Java home environment variable. For running Infa9Logs, you have to go to Infa9Logs directory after the tar is extracted. Verify if the start Infa9Logs.sh script has execute permission. Go to the directory to start Infa9Log.sh with the -o option, which is a mandatory option for starting Infa9Logs utility. We'll go through a demo of this utility. I have already extracted the Infa9Log to Unix machine and set Infa home environment variable. For running the utility, you have to invoke the shell script start Infa9Log.sh with the -o option and the directory. This directory is where the files will be staged for zipping. This option is a mandatory option. When your node is not running, use this option to collect the application logs. So it will verify the Java home and then try to get all the zip files for zipping. If your domain is up and running, we recommend to use the options with -un and -pd so that we can collect the service logs for the Power Center application. We will run with the -un and pd option. -un is for the username and -pd is the password for the domain user, which has the permission to view the logs in the admin console. You can also choose a filter on the start date and end date of the log. The options are -SD and ND, -ED. Uh, the SD is the start date and ED is the end date. The format of the start date and end date will be same as that of InfoCMD get logs date format. You can refer to the InfoCMD documentation for the format of start date and end date. I'll use the format of MMDDYYY. You can also specify the format the logs needs to be set. Needs to be fetched. I'll set a format of text. Once you use this option to get the retrieve the service logs, it will list all the services running on this domain. So it has listed all the services running on this domain. I'll choose one of the services. You can choose all the services by specifying the last option. If you are collecting the integration service log, we recommend to collect the respective RS log as well, the repository logs as well. The underlying the tools uses InfoCMD get logs command. It will also retrieve the domain logs and zip it into the zip file. Once the command execution is completed, you will see a zip file in the directory specified in the -O option. The file name will have a format of the Infa9Log, the underscore, the node name, underscore the timestamp. You can upload the zip file to Informatica site by logging into the https tsftp.informatica.com. You can refer to the KB article for this troubleshooting the initial configuration issues. We love to hear from you. You can write to us in support videos at informatica.com, or you can follow us in the tutors.